I'm so sorry for the temperature in here. Here, the sliding glass door shattered. It's actually really cute story.
Do you want to tell it, babe? Or should I tell? I don't like that story, babe. Come on, it's a cute story.
Michael ran through the sliding glass door, cuz he thought he heard the ice cream truck. Stop! Laughter. Stop it! I mean, I like ice cream, okay? Stop it.
I mean, I like ice cream, okay?
Sue me. Oh no. Don't. I shouldn't say that jokingly because she will sue me. She loves to sue. She loves lawsuits. You know, honey, that door was extremely clean and it looked invisible.
Clean and it looked invisible.
You are so right.
You are so right because before I lived here,
the glass was always covered in smudges. And then I moved in and I cleaned it. So Elle guess that makes me the devil. Laughter. You are?
She is the devil.
I'm in hell. Screaming. I'm burning. Help me. You shouldn't joke about that. Hey, did you catch that up in Lake Wallenpaupack?
Yep, Laughter. I'm burning.
Help me. You shouldn't joke about that. Hey, did you catch that up in Lake Wallenpaupack? Yep, Laughter, you know?
I used to go up there all the time with my stepdad, and I never caught anything that big.
Caught an 80 lb shark off Montauk.
It's in the Hamptons. Uh-huh. My dad's got a 42F Bayliner.
Sniped it with a rifle from the crow's nest. Also shot a deer once.
You know what?
Let's get right down to it. Can I sit here? Like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.